Hello and welcome to Palatable Platter. This is Suparna and today we are going to make chocolate banana muffins. Are you craving for something sweet? So let's just dive into it. Now next time, don't throw out those dry bananas and make these delicious chocolate muffins. If you try this recipe, let me know how that goes in the comment section down below. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram at Palatable Platter. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. See you next week.